I want to feel beautiful with just being me. So today is my 8th month anniversary. Well, kind of, sort of, but I mean, I'm a couple of days shy. You guys know how this goes. Anyway, today is post out day 253 for me, and I'm here to let you guys know the updates on my hair. As of lately, I have just been committing to washing my hair twice a week, Wednesday or Thursday and Sunday. I'm very happy and proud of the commitment that I'm able to put towards washing my hair. I feel like that has really worked really well with my hair growth. I will put all the products that I'm using as of lately with washing my hair. I have been using the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner with the avocado and jojoba oil. Really loves the way this treats my hair. It's just so moisturizing to my hair. I just love it. My hair literally can drink. So I really love getting really big bottles of this product and just slapping it on my hair, emulsifying and letting it sit for as long as possible and rinsing out. I will be going over different type of hairstyles in a different video as to all the products that I use to kind of like style my hair. I'll probably make a separate video for you guys to watch on how I style my hair and what products I use for that particular style. I think that would be a better video for you guys. I have still been using my prenatal vitamins, taking them daily, and if I forget, I just hop right back on the next day and continue to take them. I have not been able to commit to doing the frequency 1 as I mentioned to you guys in my last 7-month update, nor did I get any braids. Those are just the things that I am going to try and start to try to incorporate as time goes on. I feel like I'm not ready as of just yet just to do braids because I'm really scared, you guys. Really scared. My hair is still quite sensitive. Even though my hair is, you know, going pretty strong, it's still quite sensitive, as I mentioned to you guys. So I'm still a little bit nervous with trying to do braids and whatnot to my hair. With the high frequency one, I just haven't had or found the time to really just sit down and do any high frequency treatments or anything like that. So I've just been lazy girling it, you know. Lazy kind of is the best way, honestly. If you just leave your hair alone, it will do and work wonders, I promise you. So there's gonna be a new hairstyle that I'm gonna be trying, and it's not really anything new or anything like that, but you guys will definitely be seeing about it. It is a new V-part wig, but it's kinky straight, you guys. I love a good kinky textured type hair. Like, it just, because I feel like I'm not fighting. I'm not the one here who's losing. I feel like it's a quite balanced in, you know. We have similar textures, so we work well together. So that's what that's gonna be all about. Honestly, I've just been taking it very easy this month. I haven't really done too much with it other than what I have told you guys about my hair. I'm just really now trying to get into the habit of just kind of wearing my own hair out instead of relying on a hair piece or a wig or anything like that. I'm kind of just getting used to just wearing my hair out and about like this. I might just put some of the foam on my head and I might just do some finger curls, some waves, lay it down, something, pin it, curl it, whatever. Or I might just get some flexi rods or something like that. I might try to do some sort of styles with that and see what I can come up with, because I have always used, well, I used to be someone who really didn't care for my own natural hair, which is why I feel like I kind of ended up in this situation in the first place. So I'm finding different ways to love my hair and wear it out naturally without depending on a hairpiece to make me feel beautiful, or without, you know, wearing anything extra. I want to feel beautiful with just being me. You know what I mean? So I definitely am working on that, and when I do come across that hairstyle that I'm just loving and I want to share with you guys, I definitely will be sharing with you guys how that looks, how I went about it, how I go about it. You guys know I share everything here. I also just want to say to you guys really quick to be encouraged. I want you guys to be really encouraged with all that's going on with me first and foremost. I just really want to thank you guys so much for just everything. I can't thank you guys enough for just being here, being a part of my journey, and listen to me ramble on about this whole thing. And I'm really happy that you guys are here with me, sharing and growing with me. And also I'm here to help grow with you guys, because I know there are some people that have gotten their hair transplants, and I hope you guys are doing exceedingly well. I hope everything is on the up and up for you, because honestly, me not getting my hair done was holding me back. I felt like it was holding me back from my dream goals. It was holding me back from all the things that I wanted to accomplish, because I was afraid of what other people would think of me. I feel like a lot of beauty influencers nowadays, they have lace fronts, wigs, weaves, all those type of things. And some of them, we have never really ever seen their hair. I mean, I know you guys know one or two, or all of them, I don't know, but I know that every time I looked on social media, there's countless women that are not wearing their own hair, and I felt like I was influenced to try to keep up with them. And so now I'm appreciating what I have now. I'm loving my hair a little bit more than I used to, because now I have a second chance at loving it right, doing right by it. I was listening to a lady the other day. She was stating that your hair knows when you don't love it. And I felt that. I felt like that was so real, because like literally she was saying like your hair can feel the tension that you have against it. Like, and I feel like it will not grow. It will fight you on it, because you have an attitude with it. You're not loving your hair unconditionally. You're not treating it with proper care. You don't really care for your hair. Make an effort to care for your hair. But I promise you, the more effort you really put into your hair, the more it will love you back. And I have really been standing by that, because I have seen it. I have seen it. And I want that for you guys. And this is post-op day 253. I hope you guys enjoyed this 8-month update. It was really quick. I'm sorry that I'm late on it, because we have the kids' graduations and all types of things. I had events after events, and I just kind of got lost in track of time. But I made it. I made it. That's all that matters. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If not, I hope it inspires you. I hope it helps you and encourages you to keep making the next move that you need to make towards your goal. And make sure you guys, if you guys aren't already, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification next to it so you'll be notified whenever I post. And make sure you watch one of these. I love to hear your feedback.